Hello guys, welcome back. Let's go straight to the oven. Let me show you how it works. First, let me introduce you to the oven knobs. We have this one, this, and that. So for this one, it's a timer. So it's a timer. This one here is temperature, for the temperature regulation in the oven. This one here is for the heat. It shows where your heat is coming from. So for the timer, you just have to turn it to your required time you need to use to prepare what you're preparing. So as usual, the knob is labeled with the numbers from 0. So from 0, 10, 20. And what I mean by 10, 20, 10 is 10 minutes, 20 for 20 minutes. So you can use this to your preferred time that you want something to cook. So for this knob here, it is labeled with a degrees Celsius to show it's used to regulate the temperature you need in the oven, or rather the amount of heat you require to cook whatever that is in the oven. So it is also indicated from 0 to max, 0, 40, 85, 130, 18, 25 to max. So as labeled, so you just have to turn it to your preferred temperature as labeled on it. Now this is the last knob. You can see it has some labels. So it's labeled, or rather indicated, where you want your heat to be concentrated. For example, these two lines show that the heat is coming from upper and down parts. So mostly used for baking. We have this one, the down line, mostly is used to cook something from, as in the heat is coming from downwards. We have this one that shows that the heat is coming from up. Basically, it's normally used to cook if you want to cook something, or rather if you want something to cook slowly. So we also have this one here. You can see it has sparks. This one mostly is used when you grill it. Now let me open the oven, having known how to operate it. By the way, my oven is electric, meaning that I need electricity plugged on for it to work. So some cookers support gas ovens, meaning you only use gas for it to work. I prefer the electric one to cut cost on gas because I like baking a lot. But of course, your preference is allowed. So the oven comes with some items that will enable you to use it effectively. We have two trays. We have this one and this. So let me just put it here. So for this rectangle one, you can place it on the lower side of the oven, right here. When you're grilling, yeah, so it helps to collect any fats dropping from the grill. And that helps to prevent the oven from getting greased with those juices. The tray also can be used to bake things like scones, biscuits, cookies, etc. You simply place them on it and put it in the oven to bake. Normally when you're baking, you just need to place it here in the middle. Yeah, it must be in the middle because you need the heat from up and down. So let me just so you just have to place it here in the middle. This enables whatever you're baking to bake well, because the heat is coming from up and down. So we also have the wire mesh. This wire mesh over here. So for this one is used especially when you're roasting things like beef, chicken, fish, etc. You just place it in the oven. And definitely this one should be down. Yeah, and so maybe, yeah, just place whatever you're grilling and roasting here. I also have this extra tray here. This one. You can use it for baking or roasting. So guys, this is another item. Let me show you something else. This is the other item. It comes with this. It is called barbecue spits. You simply hook your chicken here, right here. So let me show you how it works, guys. So you just open this, then hook your chicken here. When you hook it, return this. This one usually it helps to tightly hold your chicken. So for this one, if you place your chicken here, let me show you how it works. It comes in hand with this. So what you need to do is just place it here. As you can see, there is this hole right here. So what you need to do is insert it there and make sure this metal here is holding the stick. That way. And for it to, I want the chicken to rotate in. So for it to work, it comes, you must use this button right here. There's this button. So what you need to do is, the electricity must be on. First of all, press it in that way. And the moment you press it that way, you'll see that the spit has started to rotate. Yeah, as you can see, it's rotating. Yeah, it's that easy. It usually rotates constantly at a lower speed to allow your cooking to be even. I will be doing a video showcasing how the speed works in my next video, so stay tuned. So that's how the oven works. I hope you have learned something. If you have any questions or any clarification, kindly let me know on the comment section below. So lastly guys, before I forget, for you to know that your oven is electric, when you check the upper part, you will see these coils. So for one that supports gas, you will see a gas burner inside. So yeah, it's that simple to identify, or rather know which kind of cooker oven you want to use. So guys, that's it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed watching and learned something. So show some love by clicking that like button, and also for those who have not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. To the new ones, karibuni sana, feel at home. And also please comment down below if there's something that you want me to do, or rather if you want me to showcase something, kindly comment below and tell me. Yeah.